the city.
No way. This has to be some kind of mistake.
I think that might be why these villains captured him.
That doesn't seem right, though. Why didn't they turn him in already?
It's dangerous to transport a majorly wanted criminal. But come on, why do you think every local gang in the city is answering Shiloh's call? Everybody's looking for that reward money. They're getting late.
Willie, what the heck, man? I thought we were cool. You're gonna turn in my Papa? Once again, what the heck, man?
Alright, look, I'll pay off for now. You guys got to give me something in return. I'm running a business here.
Guys, just get out of here. We don't have time for this nonsense.
You're gonna hold us like for nothing.
There's a diner across the street. Go grab lunch. One last thing before we go.
We'll do anything. What do you want in return?
The real 764.
Anything?
You ever see these guys? The honey bees.
The real 765.
They were last seen over at Big Al's. Apparently they rubbed him up pretty good.
Not Big Al.
The real 767.
No question. The best, Barry. The best.
Okay, enough, guys.
You bring me honey bees, and I won't go anywhere near you.
Got yourself a deal. Thanks for all your help, man. We'll find those honey bees for you.
769.
See you soon, guys.
770. 771.
Listen, guys. You've earned my respect.
772.
I want you to come fight with us. But
767.
to do this first.
773. 774. 775. 776. 777. 778. 779. 717. 781.